Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with Master Code Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave us a comment below. Let us know how we're doing. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and look at the extend list method. And if you watched our previous tutorial on the append list method, I showed you how to use a for loop to use append to append more than one object to the end of a list. Now I'm going to show you the extend list method, which will do this without using a for loop. So let's get started. All right. So basically, what the extend list method does is it takes an iterable data type and adds those objects contained in that iterable data type and puts it on the end of a list. So you may be wondering what's iterable data type or data structure. It's going to be strings, lists, tuples, range, dictionary, set, frozen set, and so on. There's, you can have your own if you wanted to. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this all works. We're going to have numbers again as our variable here, and we're going to have a list that contains a list of numbers like that. All right. And we're going to say numbers.extend, and we're going to go ahead and pass in a data structure. This time we'll use a list. All right, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Square brackets and close out our method, and then call numbers. Boom! There you go. All right, so in the previous tutorial, when we talked about the append method, we had something like this. I do not remember exactly what it was, but it's animals, and we had some animals in here like dog, cat, horse, maybe. All right, so then we had additional animals, and we had in there turtle. These don't match up. I know they don't match up. And rabbit. Anyhow, there's our additional animals. All right, so when we try to run animals.append like this and pass in additional I just had a brain fart. Animals, there we go. And we call it animals. We get something like that, right? Yeah, that's not probably what we're looking for. So if we go up and do animals like that again, and then we call animals one more time, there we go. We got a dog, cat, and horseback. Now, we ran a for loop like this to do it. For x in additional animals. We did animals dot append x like that, and then we call it animals like that, and we got that. All right, instead of having to do all that, we could have simply just did something like this: animals dot extend and pass in additional animals like that. There we go, and animals, and there we go. See? The developers at Python try to make our life a lot easier by making methods like that. So there you go. There's your extend list method tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next tutorial where we talk about a insert list method. See you then.